Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're starting Char Siu, which is also known as Chinese roast pork. This recipe requires 2 days because the pork has to marinate for 24 hours. The first step is to mince 6 cloves of garlic. Now we're going to start the marinade. We mix 1/2 cup of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 4 teaspoons of molasses, and 6 cloves of minced garlic. Now we add 3 pounds of pork shoulder into the bowl. Now we combine the marinade with the pork and let it sit for 24 hours. Now that the pork has been marinating for 24 hours, it's time to cook the pork. First, we preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then we get 2 baking sheets and line them with foil. Then we place 2 metal baking racks on each pan. Lastly, we place the pork on the tray and bake for 15 minutes. After the pork has been baking for 15 minutes, we brush it with leftover marinade and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Now that we've finished cooking the pork, we serve it over rice. And that's how you make Char Siu. If you like this video, watch these videos and remember to subscribe, like, and comment.